Alright guys, welcome to an awesome video. We have the amazing Cam Lawrence with us.
Hello.
What up, what up? Cameron's awesome. We went to high school together and he kind of saw me doing what I was doing, and now he's actually engaged. He's getting married, hopefully this September.
Yeah.
And I'm actually going to be shooting his wedding, but more importantly, Cam is going to be a future rock star wedding photographer, and he's already a rock star portrait photographer. And hopefully I'm overlaying his dope work on Instagram right now so you can see it. What I love about Cam's work is that he got into photography, and within a year, he's already taking top-notch portrait work, and he nailed down his skin tones, he nailed down his editing, and his work just elevated so quickly. And not many people can do that. Like, you got in the game quick, and you got good photos really quick.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Oh, no problem. So tell the audience a little bit about you, and at the tail end, what you're looking forward to doing in the future.
Yeah, for sure. So I originally started off as actually a model for a lot of behind the scenes kind of things. People are like, hey Cam, like, you should always be a model, you should try it out. I'm like, okay, like, sure, let's try it out, see how it goes. And then one day I just picked up a camera for myself, and I fell in love with that more, being behind the camera, and I just picked it up. I shot with some friends around town, and then I was like, holy, like, this is like my niche. Like, I love doing this. And then yeah, so that I just kind of slowly picked up and just constantly like worked harder, like booked more shoots or just shot for fun with friends and trying new things, and that's kind of where it went. And slowly started booking some weddings, very little. Tried videography for the first time last summer. Yeah, and this is my passion. This is where I want to go. So the future is, we'll see. It's I see that.
I hear you. So what would be a goal for you a year from now, ideally? Like, would you want to be full-time into this, or do you want a little bit of weddings, a little bit of everything to be a freelancer, or having your normal job and then side hustling weddings and whatnot? What's kind of like perfect Cam Lawrence life for you a year from now?
Yeah, so that's kind of been my big thing that I've been thinking about recently. Talking to like my fiance about it, saying like, hey, like, I did like 3 years of schooling for being a CYW, and then like I don't want to just throw that out of the like bag, right? Like, I also love that; it's another one of my passions. But photography is just one of those things that like I don't really ever really feel a lot of stress with. I love doing it. When I get to pick up my camera, like I feel just joy, right? But like my other job still feel the same. But I still have those mornings where I'm like, oh, like gotta go to work, right? So I would definitely I would love doing wedding photography full time. Like I would 100% do that, and then just do CYW like on the side.
I hear you. Yeah.
So like my goal is like I would love to have like 20 plus weddings next summer.
Right. Well, it's doable, man. It's doable. Yeah. What's awesome is because you have all the skill sets ready. You're unique. You're such a unique person that you would attract a really cool tribe of clients. And now it's just, let's build a cool brand around Cam Lawrence and apply the tools to actually attract awesome clients and book up for next year. Because everything's in front of you. So a question for you, if there's like two things that were kind of like maybe holding you back, or you're kind of worried about, or kind of fearing about booking weddings or 20 weddings, or a challenge, is it a marketing thing, is it this? What would be kind of one of those two things, or one thing that is holding you back?
Yeah, my thing is like I feel like I've always really struggled with trying to like get myself out there for clients to see. Like I'm on all of like the wedding pages on Facebook and stuff when people say like, hey, like looking for a photographer. But the hardest thing is that within 5 minutes there's 35 photographers that said, hey, like have that thing available, and I'm like, oh,
that's right.
You're gonna be the 36th person, like, right? So like that's been my hardest thing, is like how to get me out there booking before everyone else.
Oh, I get it. So, an interesting thing about those groups, you probably never see me comment in one of those groups.
No.
And I'll tell you why. So, when you're a bride, and you probably experienced it, I don't know if you posted in the group looking for a photographer or vendors or a venue. There's kind of two ways to sell yourself to a client. So, the number one is when someone posts like you did, and then you submit your info, and then the bride and groom are overwhelmed with people trying to be like, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Yeah.
It's like when you met Sydney, was she like, Cameron, pick me, I need you, like I'm needy, I want you, Cam, I love you, like, and she's texting you every day, and not saying you were doing that, but like, it's kind of the premise.
Yeah.
Whereas if you had a really cool brand that was beautiful, it's totally your messaging, and you marketed an awesome story via Facebook marketing and other tools and SEO and blogging, and they hunted you, they found you. They're like, wow, this guy's website Cam? Oh my goodness, I need this guy. Like, look at his rad tattoos, his work's stunning, I love his videos. And then they're getting to know you on the website, and then when they send you an email that's an essay long, like, we have to have you, Cam, I need you, let's do a phone call. Now you can kind of feel the difference of the style of marketing in that way. And there's nothing wrong with posting in those groups, it just comes across differently sometimes to the couple.
I agree.
Yeah, so that's like one mini lesson right there. And I would actually do both in the beginning, because I did do that. That's how I booked 5 destination weddings in my first year, because I was in a couple destination wedding only groups, and I had like a little unique way of spinning, of talking to clients and getting to know them, and then offering them a little call to action. So it can work depending on how you are approaching those. I have a friend in town that gives a lot of value in the comments without like putting your website in. She'll give tips to all the brides, and it's genuine, it's real, and like, here are tips about Hacienda Saria, do this and this, and she doesn't expect anything.